Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV, ka undi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jela uba poling do uloong ubalong ru unong aktien yang Sarkar Jela haka absan trik ujeliu arajar urusan uloong bagi Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya kelala bantem ya Jingïakynad haprengi Khasi bagi Karbi haka senang Lapangap haka Jingïakynad bagi lat patai kubur uba pol ula-kular baka Sarkar lakut jingmut ban pene ya ka syongsuk syongsengan haka ni jaka ba ulayat huru basyan unsalet benya selong bot menteri katanat kampo iyeng banyak keren sani halo kini Jingja hagis nong kaput kajela Meghalaya bat Assam.
Most of the facts are not known to me at this point of time because I was in a series of meetings. But I can share with you that the Meghalaya police has also stepped into the picture. We will intervene, ensure the safety and security of the residents of the affected areas. And I will also be meeting the Deputy CM in charge home to get further details and updates. There was a meeting taken by Deputy CM, Mr. Dhar, a couple of weeks back, so you will get details from him.
Otherwise, this is an area of difference?
I do not have that information ready with me. I will not know specifically the names of, because this involves a cluster of villages. So whether this particular village falls under area of difference or not, I have yet to.
So will you be suggesting a joint inspection by the concerned?
Since the Deputy CM in charge transport is also the chairman of the regional committee for West Jingïakynad Hills, he will be the best person to respond to your queries. Because if you recall, the meeting we had at the CM's level was very cordial, and as a follow-up to that, the Deputy CM, who represents the West Jingïakynad Hills sector of the disputed areas, had also gone to to meet his counterpart, the chairman of the regional committee from Assam. So I suggest that you also follow the matter up with him as chairman of the regional committee. As you are aware, as many as 5 villages have now been covered under what we call resolved areas where differences have been resolved. And the formal announcement will be made on Independence Day, meaning August 15, 2025. So before we reach August 15, we will maximize attempts to resolve this particular sector as well.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.